Introducing Dyson Outsize Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Experience Dyson power in a larger format, perfect for deep cleaning large homes without the hassle of a cord. Enjoy 90% more power and up to 60 minutes of runtime for uninterrupted cleaning. The power trigger maximizes energy efficiency, using power only where you need it. With a 150% larger bin and a 25% wider cleaner head, clean longer before emptying and cover more floor with each sweep. Easily convert it to a handheld vacuum for versatile cleaning. The LCD screen displays power modes, maintenance alerts, and remaining run time to the second. Auto mode intelligently adapts power based on floor type for optimal cleaning. Choose from 3 cleaning modes to get the right power where you need it. The digital Motor Bar XL cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and covers more area with each sweep. It detangles wrapped long hair and pet hair as you clean. The hair screw tool quickly sucks up long hair and pet hair, removing it from pet beds, car seats, stairs, and more. Comes with 4 Dyson-engineered accessories for cleaning up high, down low, and everywhere in between. Advanced full machine filtration traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air. Crafted from strong, durable, and lightweight materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support for peace of mind. Rated 4.5 stars in Amazon.com. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit the link in the description.